is Hillary Cross, and I am one of the co-leads for the LovePacs Lewisville chapter. We got interested in volunteering with LovePacs about 10 years ago when my children were still babies. And our friends started the chapter in the colony, and they asked all of their friends to help donate food, pack boxes, and that kind of thing. And then other schools called, and it grew to being a really large operation that it is now. Our volunteers donate the food and the resources. They also show up on delivery day and load their own vehicles and drive it to the schools, so it's all volunteer-led. We cover Highland Village, Flower Mound, a little bit of Lake Dallas, as well as Lewisville. So each LovePac is a breakfast, lunch, and snack for each day that the student is out of school. And we serve all of the school holidays within the academic years. And the goal is for the LovePac to provide the food that the student would have received on campus for our students who don't have enough access to food at home.
We basically work with LovePacs as a facilitator between us and the families and LovePacs, either families that need other resources or families that have reached out to us just because they hear about the program and ask for some of those assistance.
I love the thought that we're here in a community, and that's what inspired us to be a part of LovePacs, knowing that our community needed us to be active.
2 years ago, we started getting calls from counselors that their students were coming to school without snacks. So we started asking for our community to help donate snacks and pack up the snack packs so they can give it to the student at the beginning of the week, and the student has a snack for during the day on campus as well.
So this allows them to not only feel safe at school and be provided for at school, but then also be provided for at home with those basic needs so that they can, develop, as a whole child, socially, emotionally, and ultimately academically as well.
And so seeing that, it just reaffirms why we're doing this.
We had a family just this last year who I feel like really was impacted by LovePacs, and they had experienced some very, tough times as a family, and we were able to come alongside them and provide resources, and one of those resources was LovePacs, and the mom was immensely thankful, and it was something nice to kind of give them on the side just to kind of help them along a little bit and help them get settled.
And they are hopeful and grateful. And a lot of the time, they're asking how they can help as well, which is amazing.
We would really love to see a season where no child is hungry and we're not needed. That would be the best case scenario. But as long as, there are students who need assistance, we would love to see that need met for them.